Hey Potters, I am going to show you today some super simple surface treatments. Whew, it's kind of tough to say. Wax resist, I don't know, when you were little, did you do stuff with crayons and then you would do like watercolor over the crayon and the wax of the crayon would resist the watercolor? So here's another one that we're going to do. So for this one, this piece was like leather hard. You could also do this on bone dry or greenware. So there's not a lot of water in it, but it hasn't been bisqued yet. You could also do it on a bisque piece. So this one's good for a wide range of stages. I'm gonna take my underglaze here. So I put the wax resist on, just a nice thin coat, let it dry. And now I'm gonna brush on and what happens is you can kind of see how the wax is resisting that. If it doesn't resist it all the way, which it's not here, you can just easily come and wipe that up. So then what happens is you'll have a nice crisp line of bare clay underneath here. So again, you can also do this on bisqued ware. You could do it even with glaze. So if you had a bisqued pot, you could put wax resist designs on it and then dip it in the glaze, and wherever the wax is, that will be bare clay, and then where it's not will be glazed. So you can come up with some really cool patterns and such to use this. This is called wax resist. Again, still using the same product here. And I always tell you guys that I show you the simplest of designs or techniques so that then you can really experiment and play with it, and I encourage you to do that. So for an example, I laid this blue down, and now I'm gonna go back over that blue like so. I'll let that dry, and then I'll show you what's gonna happen. Okay, Potters, so I showed you how I did the S kind of shape with the wax resist, and then I put underglaze over it, and then it protected there, and then I put some more wax resist over the blue underglaze, and now I'm just wiping it off, and you can see here is where the next thing of wax resist is, and there's nothing like the sponge will not damage it because it has wax resist over it. So lots of fun things you can do with that. All right, Potters, all of those materials I just used, you can find right in that cabinet.